platform 6 for the 0628 East Midlands Railway service to London St Pancras, calling at Long Eaton, East Midlands Parkway, Loughborough, Leicester and London St Pancras. This train is formed of 7 coaches. Due to a short platform, passengers for Long Eaton should board the front 4 coaches.